Run it, run it, run it! Yeah! Hi, welcome to What's in the Box, Josh. I'm Josh, and this is today's box. There was a reason I was excited about this one, and that reason... Where'd it go? Oh. And that reason is this right here. This is their previous product, the Defender Phoenix. This is linked to a camera outside, no Wi-Fi, no 3G, 4G, 5G. I think it's a radio frequency, but it might also be magic. Either way, it works beautifully. I've had this on all day, every day since I got it. I'm always keeping one eye on it to see when the UPS or FedEx people deliver packages, or when my neighbors don't pick up their dog's poop from my yard. I know it's you, Sheila, in apartment 5E. I see you out there with that raggedy poodle. Pick up your poop! You also may be wondering why I'm wearing my Fender holiday sweater again, and that's because I wanted to support this company. It's one that I truly believe in, but I didn't have a Defender sweater, so I had to improvise. But we'll get to all that. Time to open the box. Zzz. And away we go. Okay, so got two boxes here. I assume this one's the camera. This one, I don't know. Maybe wires? Battery? Right then, okay. Let's do this one first. Nope. Nope, still nothing. Oh, there we go. It's really in there. Good. Hope I didn't cut anything inside. Jeez Louise, Defender. There we go. Oh yeah. I forgot they were sending this to me. This is the Oma. It is for bebés. And what it does, this little device goes on your baby's belly. It vibrates a bit just to see what's going on, try to wake them up. If they don't wake up, it alerts you, the parents. It's pretty cool, actually. Not a substitute for parental care. Okay, so we got the quick start guide, and on the device itself, we got battery indicator, a reassurance indicator, door lock indicator. Oh, I see the battery door. This little egg thing. So little. No, it is for babies. Well, how could a baby turn this on? Test it before you put it on your kid. Put the device on a stationary flat surface facing up. Wait 15 seconds. But how is it? I gotta turn it on first though. I think the battery's not in here. Oh, there we go. Got it. Okay. So you got your alarm indicator, your it's on and working indicator, and your battery indicator. All right there. It's very small, I know. But it is meant for babies. All right, so this goes on your baby's waistline. I don't know how we can test it out. Does anybody have a baby we can borrow? All right, so there's a reassurance light. Reassurance LED. It flashes a blue light every 30 seconds, letting you know movement is being detected. So as long as your kid is breathing, no news is good news, is what I'm trying to say. First alert, if no movement is detected for 15 seconds, this will vibrate, along with audible alerts to stimulate, it says stimulate, I guess rouse your baby. And then a second alert if regular movement is not reestablished 5 seconds after the first alert. An emergency alarm, LED lights, and audible alerts are initiated to notify parents. Parents' attention is required. Oh. then here, oh, it's the wrong page. But when this is flashing blue, which it does now, it's on. It's definitely on. Oh yeah, see that? Did you catch that right there? Any second now. And blue. Blue. Blink and you'll miss it. Did I miss it? Did I blunked. Come on, man. Okay, there we go. Got it. Yeah, that blue light. Red flashing light is if no movement is detected. Green light battery is okay. And red light is replace battery. So there's no need to try. Oh, wow. That was the knife. I gotta be more careful with that. There's no need to charge this. It operates on a coin cell battery that lasts up to 30 days based on normal usage. If your baby comes with a spare battery, that helps too. So this does not connect to your phone. No Wi-Fi or Bluetooth either, but you don't need it. It's recommended to use it with a baby monitor. So every 80 milliseconds, this analyzes your baby's abdominal movements. And if they're in a swing or a car seat, that's gonna mess it up. So don't use it there. This is also for infants. What classifies a baby as an infant? Under 6 months. It's for babies under 6 months. The babiest babies of the baby genus. Because then they start rolling and crawling and that's gonna mess up the Oma. That's who this is for. Worry less, do more. I'm already worried about my kids. I don't even have kids. This thing eases my worries a bit. Thank you, Levana, for easing my parental anxieties before I'm even a parent. Oh, I just left this alone on the floor for like 30 seconds and it started going off, so I want to see if I can get it to do it here. Shh. Shut up, shut up, shut up. Okay. Okay, all right, yep, okay. Yep, got it. How do I shut this off? There you go. That's the Oma in action. In action when there's inaction from the baby. Okay, now for the headlining act. The Defender. This is the Guard Pro. This is their newest. Right off. If you need help, Defender's got you. What is this? Security sticker. Warranty card. Quick start guide. Get to that in a second. And the camera itself. So this does use Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi. This does use Wi-Fi. So this camera's surprisingly light. So this can mount on a wall, ceiling, and be angled at any different angle there. See? Okay. Oh, it can be loosened up too. Connects through, looks like there's an AC connector and what looks like Ethernet as well. That, am I right about that? I don't think I've seen that before. AC cable. I mean, that's, you got the AC plug there. What is this? Screws and anchors. Could just look at the instructions and it would tell me, but I'd rather stare at it and try to guess. Is there anything else in here? No, there's not. This gives gives you a template on where to drill in your wall. Thank you, Joe. So this connects to your phone. First things first, download the app. Where's my phone? Oh, right, it is filming. What is that? Step 2, plug in the camera. And step 3, connect it to Wi-Fi. So once you got the app going, you can set up motion detection, you can detection region setting. What's that? Oh, I see. Regions of the screen. You can set it for only motion on this half. There's also human detection too, to differentiate it from birds and raccoons and animals that walk by. You can also get a live view from your phone, view all the paired cameras at once, share your screen, live stream, send a snapshot to your phone or tablet, and turn on and off a siren. Ooh, that is loud. 110 decibel siren. How do we do that? There's also two-way talk, which the other one has, and it works beautifully when I have to yell at the FedEx man to please hold on a second. I'll sign for it. I'm coming down. Just wait. Hold up. Don't leave. Don't leave. Hey, hello. And turn on and off the spotlight as well. This is a spotlight? I guess it does. Yeah. Got 2 lights. So you can link it up so when the alarm goes off, the spotlights will also flash. You can also set this to a recording schedule. Day or night, it's got night vision, smart night vision actually. You connect up to 16 cameras to the Defender Guard app. I have 2, and I'm happy with that. So 16, that should do the job. A 256 gigabyte SD card will get you 288 hours of filming, and you can share the view with 5 additional users. The end. Time for bed. And that's what's in the box. If you'd like to read my full review on the Defender Phoenix, there's a link below. If you'd like to purchase either the Phoenix or Defender Guard Pro, there's a link below for that too. As always, I don't get paid for these endorsements, but I truly believe in this product. And if you'd like to purchase it, you'll be helping support this channel through the Amazon Associates program. We'll see you next time on What's in the Box, Josh. Do not use this on your cat.